tired of how people look at me when I'm with my daughter. I'm a single father of 2 kids. My oldest is a 24 boy who is full-grown and independent, while the youngest is a 16-years-old girl with autism and other disabilities. She needs constant support and help for everyday life. She absolutely doesn't look disabled, like no one can tell by just looking at her. I need to hold her hand when we're outside the house, otherwise she'd wander. I got a weird look every time, got called a creep by teenage girls and got into a fight with a random guy. And I don't even tell you when she needs a bra or panties. I'm really tired of being seen as a pedo or groomer or whatever while trying to do my best for my daughter. Not to mention that she's getting a meltdown when it happens because of the attention and tension. Tell me what to do about it, guys.